have disrupted more than one space, be it entertainment and fashion. What drives you to keep reinventing yourself?
I think the love that people have for my work, I think that's what keeps me going. I've always wanted to do something new. When I grew up, I was a classical dancer. I grew up being an Odissi dancer, and then I wanted to be in movies, and then I wanted to act, and I wanted to do theater, and there's so much. And now with social media, it's amazing that you can just do your work and put it out there, and the world is your audience. And you'll always find your audience because there's someone out there who's going to watch your content and see what you're doing. So it's great. Like, I've done television, I've done theater, and now, even in social media, like, people are loving my work. So that's great.
Absolutely. So, do you believe celebrity have a responsibility to speak upon women's issue, and how do you choose which cause is the champion?
Most definitely. I really do believe that if you have a platform and if you have a space that people are listening to, you can make a difference. I really do believe in encouraging women to go achieve their dreams. I really do think that there's nothing big or small. I am a part of the entertainment industry, and I have been for 15 years now. And that's a space that I keep encouraging people to be a part of. And there are a lot of people in small towns, in places, and they're not sure if they really want to, they're ready to push themselves out there and come here. And I think it's a safe space, and there's work for everybody. So I would love to encourage people.
Okay, so lastly, when you think of an event like Women Disruptors, what personal significance do they hold for you in your journey as a women leader?
I think it's a wonderful initiative because I think women are just disrupting, whether it's business or whether it's law, whether it's entertainment. I mean, obviously, women have been eye candies for ages in the entertainment industry, but now they're doing meatier portions, they're doing wonderful roles, there's so many series being written on women. So I think there is a lot of commotion happening, and women are really proving themselves, and they're really out there to achieve a lot, which is really encouraging.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your time.